everyone, and welcome back to Kawaii Crafts. Today I'm making some Pokemon Go keychains using Perler beads. I made this video years ago when I was addicted to Pokemon Go and I forgot to edit and post it, so here it finally is. The materials you will need for this project are jewelry pliers, a circle pegboard, a keychain, a jump ring, wax paper, and Perler beads in the colors of black and white, and red, yellow, or blue depending on what team you're on. I'm going to start by placing one white bead in the very center of the pegboard. And then I'm going to border that one white bead with a larger circle of black beads. I'm going to add 3 beads to the left and the right of the black beads at the center line on the pegboard. Then I'm going to connect those 2 lines with black beads in an arch. I'm going to start to do an arch on the bottom half of the Pokeball, but I'm going to leave 3 slots at the very bottom open, and I'm going to bring that to a point. After, I'm going to fill the bottom half with white beads. And finally, fill the top with the color matching your team. For a better picture, I've uploaded a close-up to my Instagram. The link is conveniently placed in the description for you. Once I have my Pokeball complete, I'm going to place a piece of wax paper on top and iron until I can see the beads sticking to the wax paper. When they're ready, I'm going to gently peel the beads and the wax paper off the board and fold over one end of the wax paper to the other side of the beads and iron. After that is ironed, I'm going to place it under some heavy books to cool. Once cooled, I can add a jump ring to the central top bead and add a keychain, and I'm done! Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you make this, make sure to link me to pictures on Instagram or Twitter. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and see what I make next. If you want to see more, follow me on Twitch. I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Saturdays I do craft streams starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you there. All my links are in the description for you. Well, that's all I have for you today. See ya!